Hey everyone, I'm in one of our developer rooms, and in front of me I have the index for the Core 1 Plus. We've been reading your comments, so we thought we would create a series of videos about the really cool things about the index. So one of the very common questions was, how do you put 8 spools on the Core 1 Plus without drilling any holes into the printer? So there's now 4 spool holders on each side, and the way they mount is they are using the existing holes in the side panel. Before they were covered with these black plastic rivets, but the dimensions are actually the same as for an M3 screw. So you just take M3 screws and nuts and you screw in those new spool holders. They are the same system that you can see featured on the Core 1L and Core 1 Plus. So that's great because all the existing community models, for 2 kilo spools or anything else for dry boxes, they will be compatible with the system. So we have 4 on this side, 4 on the other. And another an interesting part which I found here is this orange one, which the developers made to make the installation a lot easier. It's used for installing the nuts on the inside for the spool holders. So you just put in the 2 metal nuts instead of holding them with your fingers. And you take this whole part, you put it on the inside of the printer, you align it with the edge, and then you can just easily screw in the spool holder and you take this whole thing out. So that just makes the upgrade really a lot easier.